Hey, Steven's Mind here. Get in my text messages. It's my mom texting me in the group chat. Anyways, I got Skillet here. Comatose. I don't know this.
I hate feeling like this. I'm so tired of trying to fight this. I'm asleep and all I dream of is waking to you. Tell me that you will listen. Your touch is what I'm missing. And the more I hide, I realize I'm slowly losing you. Comatose. I'll never wake up without an overdose of you. I don't wanna live, I don't wanna breathe.
This is that early 2000s vibe that we think is lost. It's still there, it's just not as popular anymore.
You dead wrong to ever doubt you, but my demons laying waiting, tempting me away. Oh, how I adore you. Oh, how I thirst for you. Oh, how I need you. Comatose. I'll never wake up without it.
This is back when, I say that back when music actually had depth to it, but there is so much today that has depth to it. Again, it's just not mainstream. Music like this used to be all over the radio. Now music like this is nowhere to be found. You have to dig for it. It's a shame.
I'll never wake up without an overdose of you. I don't wanna live, I don't wanna breathe. As I feel you next to me, you take the pain I feel. Waking up to you never felt so real. I don't wanna sleep, I don't wanna.
I'm live right now, Joe said, but so much more rewarding when you find it. Ain't that the freaking truth? I like the strings.
Comatose. I'll never wake up without an overdose of you.
Wow.
I don't wanna live, I don't wanna breathe. As I feel you next to me, you take the pain I feel. Waking up to you never felt so real. I don't wanna sleep, I don't wanna dream, 'cause my dreams don't comfort me the way you make me feel. Waking up to you never felt so real. How I adore you. Waking up to you never felt so real. Oh, how I thirst for you. Waking up to you never felt so real. Oh, how I adore you. Oh, you make me feel. Waking up to you never felt so real.
That's good. That's right up my alley. I love stuff like that. That is a good song. Woo! Good freaking request, Viper. This is not Skillet. What's going on here? Hey, who are you? Imposter! Imposter! You are not Skillet! Love God. Love the fight. Love your fight. Love your life. Do not give up on anything unless it is bad for you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.